Uh, yeah, on the hygiene side, they also, the old blue rooms, you didn't have much of a hand cleaning place. These Enviro Labs, you can wash your hands. The mine, it gives them a place to clean up a little. They're the Cadillac of toilets, I guess. Well, it's only having to pump them out annually. That makes a huge difference in running them out. We also got a portable tank with a diesel pump on it that the guys can go around and just pump it out, so the toilet always stays in use. So it makes it real convenient and handy. Yeah, I do. It's one of those things we hope we never have to use, but the employees here, I think, they feel real comfortable having them down underground. They're a good unit. They're easy to understand. Anyone can figure out how to use them. Everyone that comes in the mine, we give a brief training on. The employees here is a more in-depth training, but they're an easy enough unit to use that we're comfortable everyone can use them. I'm not sure any place is going to be comfortable for 36 hours, but compared to most chambers I've been in, they're extremely comfortable. They have the air conditioner and everything else you'll need to get by for that time. The trainings are good. They're in depth. The classroom, time you spend in the classroom is real. You go over a lot of things. It's real good. But then you come underground and actually go through the complete chamber. Everyone leaves there a lot more knowledgeable. So everybody that goes underground to work, they sit through a video and a lot more in-depth training. Our employees, we actually bring them down and walk them through a chamber when they first get here. Then anyone that comes down as a visitor, we have a slide that we present that takes them through the basics of it, and then they're also escorted at all times. So we're looking at tracking LTE systems is a big deal going forward. I think you'll see a lot more remote operated equipment underground in the future. I think the gas detector's been a huge upgrade. Also, the first chambers we had the chemicals that you poured into the unit, and when you got done using them, you had to pour them on the floor. Now it's all cartridges that makes it a lot easier to use. You don't have to worry about the dust particles when you dump them on the floor. Well, the nice thing about it is you can actually use your cameras in your chambers, so you can see how it's going in the chamber at all times. It also lets you monitor from the surface if you have an issue in between checks. Yeah, you can monitor how the behaviors and how things are going in each chamber to see. Well, the nice thing about it is you can actually use your cameras in your chambers, so you can see how it's going in the chamber at all times. It also lets you monitor from the surface if you have an issue in between checks. Yeah, you can monitor how the behaviors and how things are going in each chamber to see. Oh, Lundin, that's our biggest value. The people that work for Lundin and our contractors are the biggest asset we have. So we take safety, that's our number one priority. Not when anyone was in danger. I've been involved in mine fires, but everyone was evacuated and we just went into rehab. Well, we've got stench gas located at the vent raise and the intake, the portal. We've got the stench system getting set up in the middle of the mine now. And then we've got radio communication throughout the mine also. Well, right now we also have the Enviro Labs on site, and that saves us. We don't have to take them outside near as much. We also have a stench system that we're getting ready to activate on deeper in the mine that will release stench. That's great. Every time we have a problem, we can get support over the phone. We also get a rep out here anytime we need within a reasonable amount of time. We've found a few issues. It's been no issue getting replacement parts here quickly. If it means overnighting it, they get us the parts we need and get us back up and going quick.